This time we will learn about ZWCAD. When you are going to use ZWCAD for the first time, you need to know about the appearance of the ZWCAD work area. You can quickly set the ZWCAD display through the work area settings located on the bottom right. Click on the gear icon to bring up the ZWCAD work area display options. From this menu, you can choose to use the modern work area display or the classic work area display. The modern work area display consists of menus that have been grouped according to their function with a large menu display and naming of each tool. Meanwhile, for the classic work area display, it uses a relatively small menu display and does not have direct tool name instructions. Each view has its own advantages and convenience for its users. The modern view will be easier to recognize and the classic view has a wider working area. There are 6 menus that can be selected and combined from the work area settings. 1 menu, activate by checking to display standard Windows menus such as File, Edit, etc. 2 ribbon, activate by checking to display a menu with a modern appearance, and can be combined with ZWCAD ASIC. 3 toolbar, is a menu for setting what menus you want to display in the work area. 4 2D drafting and annotation, modern work area that has been set up since ZWCAD was installed. 5 ZWCAD Classic, a work area with a classic appearance that has been set since ZWCAD was installed. 6 Customize, which is the option to create a work area with a menu that displays the menu options we want. When we are in the classic work area, we can organize the menu by adding or reducing the menu toolbar. This will make the work area wider and more compact. To reduce or add toolbars, right-click on the existing toolbar and check the box next to the name of the toolbar you want to show or hide. We can also adjust the size of the command area by shifting the work area boundary with the command area.